Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with CurlyMe hair collection. They sent me this bomb 613 wig, y'all, and I will be installing it with y'all. I will be showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. So y'all, let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so the wig did not come, the roots did not come dyed. I did dye them myself because I wanted to try something out new. And when I say I loved it, I loved it. When I say the lace took the dye, everything went well, y'all. Everything went perfectly fine. I definitely recommend this hair. I already ran into some bad 613 hair, and so far this hair has not given me no problems. But I did use mocha hair dye in the color brown. It's like a mocha color. Hope that explains,
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
So y'all, this is the end of the video. This is the look that I decided to go with. I love working with this company. I definitely recommend. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in purchasing and shopping with them, y'all. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything, their website, the exact links to this wig, literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. We on the road to 50K, you already know. But yes, go shop with CurlyMe collections, y'all. Until next time, period. Don't play with me, period.